To change secure folder lock type as pattern in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Okay, scroll down settings screen, find biometric and security, and then tap biometrics and security. Scroll down, tap secure folder, select lock type, enter your PIN, password, or your pattern if requested. Select pattern, draw your unlock pattern you want, and then tap continue. Draw the pattern again to confirm it. Tap confirm. Secure folder lock type as pattern and fingerprints. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.